In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Klarna account. First of all, what you have to do is launch upon Klarna application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Klarna application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, what you have to do is select the country that you live in. You'll be able to find the field for I live in over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various country over here. Select your main country of residence. Simply tap on that country. Now after you do that, that particular country will be selected. Now what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to create the account, tap on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is simply enter your phone number over here. Tap on the field of phone number. Now enter the phone number over here. After you enter the phone number, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here 6-digit code will be sent to your number. Simply check the code. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the email. Tap on the field of email. Now provide the email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail on your device. You can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Klarna has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the 6-digit code. What you have to do is memorize this code. Go back to the Klarna tab. Now enter that code over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here, your account on Klarna will easily be created. So that is how you create account on Klarna. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.